Okay, I am going to... Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox my very first purchase from Dior. And we also got some Gucci bag, but that's for my mom. And this is for me. So let's start unboxing it. I already know what it is because I bought it, but like I wanted to film this because why not? So it smells really well. It comes with this beautiful Dior paper. I'm going to save it also for later. And oh, there is also a Dior magazine. It's a beautiful one. Really love to read the... Lovely. This looks very interesting. Okay, let's move on. Oh, there is the huge box now. Ta-da! Let's unbox this baby. How cute is this packaging? I really love it. So, unboxing my packet now. Here we go. Oh, another paper. Ooh la la, ooh la la. This is a cute dust bag. What they usually give it to everyone in every bag. Oh my god, so this is my bag, a new bag to my collection. I really love it. Yes. Ta-da. There we go. Let's move on to... So I already am unpacking the Gucci purse, what we bought. I just want to show you how it looks like. Oh, it's a little difficult to open it. Oh, I have it now. Here we go. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Also with the paper and a dust bag. Very nice dust bag. This is, I think, the new one. This is also a new packaging what they have. And ta-da! How cute is this bag? This is called the dinosaur bag. It is a very nice bag with a stripe. First close it. See? Very nice bag with a stripe. Lovely. I love it. So I'm really happy with this purchase, what we made, and I really love it. There is also a small little bag. I forgot to film it, but let's see what is inside the bag.
Goodie bag something.
Goodie bag or something, yeah. So
it's in that color.
Oh, it's perfume. It's perfume.
Oh, Dior perfume.
Dior perfume. And on this one, it's also perfume.
Dior perfume.
Yay!
Hi.
So yeah, I'm so happy, and yeah. So thank you so much for joining my video. And here's my brother.
Hello.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.